The story I heard was that more than 10 years ago, this spigot here started to leak, and he replaced it. When he turned the water back on, it started to leak, a slow leak. Instead of taking it off and putting some more Teflon tape or pipe sealant, he went ahead and put this junk on it. And like I said, this was over 10 years ago. I knew I was going to have trouble taking this off. So here I'm just trying to take off as much of this junk so that when I start turning this thing counterclockwise to remove it, it'll come off. I was kind of afraid I would break it. I didn't care about the spigot, but I didn't want to mess with the integrity of the pipe, the copper pipe coming out of the house here. So I did a lot of stuff off camera. Otherwise this video would have been much longer. So I didn't show the part where I struggled, but anyway, finally got it to turn without breaking. I tried to anchor the back of it to preserve the integrity of the pipe, like I said, and finally got it to turn. It looked like tar. I don't know what it was that it had. And again, some more clean here to make sure that when I put the new one on it, I have a good fit. The new one I did put on some Teflon tape, about 4 or 5 revolutions around it, make sure I had plenty. And I always add pipe sealant to it. Magalock is what I use. Never had any trouble when I've used both the Teflon and the pipe dope. Whether you pick another one, that's your choice. I've been using Magalock the last few years, and it's worked great for me. So there's the Magalock. And I already put it there on the Teflon tape. So this one has Teflon tape and Magalock. Now usually you have to be really careful how many revolutions should you make here. I went to a certain point and I stopped because I couldn't get it all the way around. But then I said, no, it's going to be loose. So I decided to push it and make it go all the way around. But I took my time. And of course, if it leaks on you, just take it off and put more Teflon tape. Like I said, I always use pipe sealant also. That's straight enough. So I went with that. Turned the water back on and see how it worked. And it worked okay. A little bit dirty here still, but I could have a good fit for the spigot here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.